Hello, welcome back to grammar class. Of course, what we are going to learn is about grammar. I think you are wondering what kind of grammar we are going to learn. 1, 2, 3. Today we are going to learn about the important part of future tense, which are will and going to. I think most of us are still confused about what is the difference between will and going to. When to use will and when to use going to. Or are they same? Okay, let's begin. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Novita Yohana Putri Renmaur. You can call me Vita, and I am a student of Machung University. Next, we have to know about the definition of future tense. What is the use of future tense? Future tense is used to talk about events, plans, ideas, or experiences which have not taken place yet or have not come yet. How many expressions that future tense has? Future tense has a number of ways of expressing the future tense. However, the important one is the part of will versus going to. In what situation we should use will? Will is used to express a voluntary action. For example, I will get you a cup of tea. The second example, will is used to express a promise. For example, I promise I won't tell anyone you cheated in the exam. In what situation we should use going to? Going to is used to express a plan. For example, I am going to be an actor when I grow up. But also there is an exception. Both or will and going to are used to express a prediction. For example, the year 2222 will be a very interesting year. Or the year 2222 is going to be a very interesting year. What is the pattern of will? The patterns of using will are: first, for the affirmative is subject plus will plus verb in infinitive. For example, I will study medicine when I finish high school. I is the subject, will plus study medicine when I finish high school is the verb in infinitive. Next, for the negative is subject plus will not or won't plus verb in infinitive. For example, I won't waste my time. I is the subject, won't or will not, and waste my time is the verb in infinitive. For the interrogative is will plus subject plus verb in infinitive plus question mark. For example, will you be my first patient? Will plus you you is the subject, plus be my first passion is verb in infinitive. And don't forget to put the question mark for the interrogative. And what is the pattern of going to? The patterns of using going to are: for the affirmative is subject plus be plus going to plus verb in infinitive. For example, she is going to study for her exam. She is the subject, is the be, going to plus study for her exam is verb in infinitive. For the negative is subject plus be plus not plus going to plus verb in infinitive. For example, I'm not going to play computer games. I is the subject, am is the be, plus not, and going to, and play computer games is the verb in infinitive. And for the interrogative is be plus subject plus verb infinitive plus question mark. For example, are you going to get the marks? Are is the be, you is the subject, going to and get the marks is the verb in infinitive. And please don't forget to put the question mark. Okay, thanks for your attention. I hope after this course you are able to differentiate will and going to, and you are able to use will and going to in appropriate situation. Thank you.